Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the most fundamental, yet often misunderstood, aspects of our lives: sleep. We spend roughly 1/3 of our lives doing it, but what exactly is happening when we drift off? It's much more than just turning off for the night. Sleep is a dynamic and incredibly complex process, vital for our physical and mental well-being. Think of it as your body's nightly reset button, performing essential maintenance and consolidation tasks that keep us functioning optimally during our waking hours. Let's uncover the amazing science behind our nightly slumber. So, why do we sleep? It's a question scientists have pondered for centuries. We now know that sleep plays a critical role in almost every aspect of our health. It's when our bodies repair tissues, grow muscle, and synthesize hormones. For our brains, sleep is crucial for processing information from the day, consolidating memories, and clearing out metabolic waste products that accumulate during wakefulness. Without adequate sleep, our mood, concentration, immune system, and even our physical coordination can all take a hit. It truly is the foundation of good health. Our journey into sleep begins by understanding its two primary states: non-rapid eye movement, or NREM sleep, and rapid eye movement, or REM sleep. These two states are incredibly different, each with unique characteristics and functions, yet they work together in a beautifully orchestrated cycle throughout the night. Think of them as the two main acts in your nightly sleep performance. NREM sleep is typically divided into three distinct stages, while REM sleep is a single, unique stage. We'll explore each of these in detail, starting with the quiet, restorative world of NREM. Let's begin with NREM Stage 1, often abbreviated as N1. This is the very first stage of sleep, that wonderful feeling of drifting off. You're just starting to fall asleep, and it's a very light sleep from which you can be easily awakened. Your brain activity begins to slow down, transitioning from the alert beta waves of wakefulness to slower alpha and then theta waves. Your muscle activity decreases, and you might experience sudden muscle jerks, known as hypnic jerks, which are totally normal. This stage usually only lasts for a few minutes before you transition into deeper sleep. Next, we move into NREM Stage 2, or N2. This is actually where you spend the majority of your total sleep time, about 50% for most adults. During N2, your eye movements stop, your heart rate slows, and your body temperature drops. Your brain waves show unique patterns called sleep spindles and K-complexes. Sleep spindles are bursts of brain activity that help keep you asleep and protect your brain from waking up. K-complexes are sharp, single waves believed to help with memory consolidation and also protect sleep. You're definitely asleep now, though you might still be easily woken by sounds. Then comes NREM Stage 3, or N3, also known as slow-wave sleep or deep sleep. This is the most restorative and physically rejuvenating stage of sleep. Your brain waves become very slow and large, called delta waves. It's incredibly difficult to wake someone during N3. If you do, they'll likely feel groggy and disoriented. During deep sleep, your body repairs and regrows tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens your immune system. It's also critical for memory consolidation, particularly for declarative memories, facts, and events. Think of N3 as your body's major repair shop, working hard while you're completely out. Deep sleep is absolutely essential for feeling refreshed and energized the next day. A lack of NREM Stage 3 sleep can leave you feeling fatigued, make it harder to concentrate, and even impact your physical performance. Children and young adults typically experience more deep sleep, which explains why they need more sleep overall. Their bodies and brains are growing and developing at a rapid pace. As we age, the amount of deep sleep we get naturally tends to decrease, which can contribute to some of the sleep complaints often heard from older adults. This stage is truly foundational for health. Now, let's shift gears to the other major type of sleep, rapid eye movement, or REM sleep. Unlike the quiet, slow brainwaves of NREM, REM sleep is characterized by intense brain activity, very similar to when you're awake. This is the stage where most of your vivid dreams occur. The name rapid eye movement comes from the fact that your eyes dart back and forth rapidly under your eyelids during this phase. It's a truly fascinating and often perplexing state of consciousness, where your mind is incredibly active, yet your body is in a unique state of paralysis. Let's delve deeper into this paradox. During REM sleep, your brain is incredibly busy. Your brain waves resemble those of wakefulness, with a mix of fast, irregular beta waves and slower theta waves. Your heart rate and breathing become more irregular and shallow, and your blood pressure can fluctuate. Despite all this internal activity, your muscles become temporarily paralyzed, a state called atonia. This temporary paralysis is actually a protective mechanism, preventing you from acting out your dreams. Imagine trying to run or fight in your sleep. Atonia keeps you safe in bed, ensuring your wild dream adventures don't lead to physical injury. This is why REM is often called paradoxical sleep. The paradox of REM sleep is truly remarkable. Your brain is highly active, consuming as much oxygen as it does when you're awake, yet your body is almost completely still. This active brain, coupled with muscle paralysis, creates a unique state where complex mental processes, like dreaming, can unfold without physical consequences. Scientists believe this state is crucial for various cognitive functions, including emotional regulation, problem solving, and consolidating memories related to skills and experiences. It's like your brain is in a virtual reality simulator, processing and practicing without moving a muscle. Now that we understand the individual stages, let's put it all together. Sleep isn't a linear process. We cycle through these NREM and REM stages multiple times throughout the night. A typical sleep cycle begins with NREM stage 1, progresses to N2, then into N3, the deep restorative sleep. After N3, you'll usually cycle back through N2 and then enter your first period of REM sleep. This entire sequence, from N1 through N3, back to N2, and into REM, constitutes one complete sleep cycle. Each full sleep cycle typically lasts about 90 to 110 minutes. During a full night's sleep, which ideally is 7 to 9 hours for adults, you'll go through approximately 4 to 6 of these cycles. What's fascinating is how the proportion of each stage changes as the night progresses. Earlier in the night, NREM stage 3, or deep sleep, dominates, providing that essential physical restoration. As the night goes on, the periods of REM sleep become longer and more frequent, especially in the later hours before you wake up. This shift ensures you get both the physical repair and the mental processing that your brain needs. Beyond just dreaming, REM sleep is crucial for several higher-level cognitive functions. It plays a significant role in learning, memory consolidation, and emotional processing. During REM, your brain integrates new information and experiences into your existing knowledge, helping you learn and retain facts and skills. It's also vital for emotional regulation. Scientists believe REM sleep helps us process and cope with difficult or stressful experiences, almost like a nightly therapy session. If you've ever slept on a problem and woken up with a solution, you can likely thank your REM sleep. Dreams, those often bizarre and vivid narratives that unfold in our minds, are a hallmark of REM sleep. While we can dream in other stages, REM dreams are typically the most memorable and intense. What are dreams for? The exact purpose is still debated, but theories suggest they might help us process emotions, consolidate memories, solve problems, or even just be a byproduct of random brain activity. Regardless of their exact function, dreams are a fascinating window into our subconscious mind, reflecting our daily experiences, fears, and desires in often symbolic ways. They're a truly unique aspect of our sleep experience. Our sleep architecture, the patterns of NREM and REM throughout the night, isn't static, it changes throughout our lives. Infants and young children, for example, spend a much larger proportion of their sleep in REM, which is thought to be crucial for brain development. As we grow into adolescence and adulthood, the percentage of REM sleep decreases, while deep NREM sleep becomes more prominent until middle age. In older adults, both deep sleep and REM sleep tend to decrease, and sleep becomes more fragmented with more awakenings. Understanding these changes can help us appreciate the different sleep needs across the lifespan. What happens if you don't get enough of these vital sleep stages? The consequences of sleep deprivation are far-reaching. Missing out on deep NREM sleep can impair physical recovery and weaken your immune system. A lack of REM sleep can affect your mood, memory, and ability to learn new things, leading to increased irritability and difficulty concentrating. Chronic sleep debt can also contribute to serious health problems, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. It's clear that prioritizing quality sleep across all stages is not a luxury, but a necessity for overall health and well-being. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's rest. So, how can you improve your sleep quality and ensure you're getting enough of both NREM and REM sleep? Simple lifestyle changes can make a big difference. First, try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading or taking a warm bath. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Limit caffeine and alcohol, especially in the evening, and avoid screens for at least an hour before bed. Regular exercise can also promote better sleep, but try to avoid intense workouts close to bedtime. These strategies help your body naturally transition through all the essential sleep stages. And there you have it, a journey through the incredible human sleep cycle. From the lightest NREM stage 1 to the deep, restorative NREM stage 3, and finally to the mysterious, dream-filled REM phase, each stage plays a vital and distinct role in your overall health. Understanding these cycles helps us appreciate why quality sleep isn't just about the hours you spend in bed, but the quality and progression through these different stages. So, the next time you lay your head down, remember the amazing work your body and brain are doing. Value your sleep, and it will undoubtedly value you back.